Hi, welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about how to place order on Make Cssbuy from seller to China address directly. So let's head straight to our browser. Let's pick the product we'd like to buy from seller to the warehouse for a Chinese address directly without having it being sent to Make Cssbuy warehouse first. So this is a product I'm trying to order. I'll select my order and click on pay now and OK, and then because I would want it being sent to Chinese address directly, which is probably my personal agent or forwarding company, I would select China in the list because it's going directly to China. Then my Chinese address I've added to the address book will be previewed for me to select address. When I select, you see the green mark, and then I would go ahead and see the pricing breakdown and go ahead and click submit to buy. When you click on submit to buy, that is it, but I've already placed an order, so let me show you how it looks like. So after placing an order, you come to my China orders and you will see it's previewed. It's currently pending. Thank you. Bye bye.